Hi guys, Ride with VP nga pala. Today we're going to review the Axor Apex. Axor Helmets is an international brand. Konting kaalaman lang guys, we have a factory in India. Ang helmet natin ay dinesign sa Italy. Okay guys, so as you can see, Axor Apex is DOT, ECE, ICC, and ISI certified. Kompleto ang ating certification sa helmet na to. Okay guys, so besides the complete certification ng helmet, makikita nyo ang kanyang minimalist design. And as you can see, it's also intercom ready. We also have a tinted visor, nakakabit na ngayon. Pag bumili kayo ng helmet, included sa box ang clear visor. Another piece of information is, it's also dual visor. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, di ba? Angas. Okay, so when it comes sa padding ng helmet, for a helmet at this price point, napakaganda ng material na ginamit. So, I believe it's memory foam. So, when you wear the helmet, it's very comfortable. Meron din siyang chin curtain. So, pag nag-uusap kayo sa intercom, hindi sabog. Which is a very great plus. For at its price point, napakasulit talaga ng helmet na to. Pag long ride naman, malaking tulong din yung weight ng helmet. With this helmet, it's a size extra large. It indicates here that it's 1,600 grams, plus or minus 50. Okay, so sa price ng helmets, for any Axor Apex na plain color, like this one, 4,200. Pag may graphics naman, 4,400. Ang maganda kay Axor guys, ay may iba't iba tayong designs depending on your riding style. And for example, we have designs for ADV or motocross, for your daily commute. We also have sportier models, and we also have retro helmets. Once again, guys, this is Ride with VP. For more motor-related content, follow me on my page. Review. Okay. Hey, right. Tumingin ako sa game. More relax. Ay, sorry. Ulit. Kailangan confident. Gusto mag-keep it rolling lang. Ay. Kasa. Shit. Sorry, ano yun? Ano ako.